Hi, I'm Valerie, and this is Makeup by Valerie. The other day I did this, I mean, I thought it was awesome. It was a black and brown smoky eye. And I just love smoky eyes. I think, you know, it's a gorgeous thing to do. But I think, you know, and we're going to do a smoky eye today, but I think we're going to go more taupe because I was wearing my brown contacts. So, you know, I think with my green eyes that taupe is going to look better. It's going to be like a brownish kind of taupey color that we're going to do today. And we're just going to start putting our makeup on as usual. I still have to put on my sunscreen. I use the e.l.f. Invisible Sunscreen. It's got an SPF of 35 and it's also an awesome primer, which is why I love it so much. It really, really is nice. Okay, so we just squeeze a little bit of it into our hand, and it's about that much, which I just dropped. All right, we can fix this. It's okay. All right, so I just go like that. I start up here, I go here, go over my lips. And I've had to take a break from my lip plumper because it was making my lips really dry. And they'll do that. You know, those lip plumpers, they will do that sometimes, and you'll have to just take a little break, you know, just wear, you know, a regular lip gloss or lip balm, whichever you prefer. Just get that sunscreen everywhere. Want to protect our skin so we don't end up looking old and wrinkly. And I'll tell you what, the best thing for, you know, aging is prevention. You got to start early. I've been wearing sunscreen since I was 17 years old. And it has made a difference, you know, in terms of wrinkles. Okay. So today we're gonna start out with our, we just got this beautiful foundation from Anastasia. It's the Luminous Foundation. Comes in a box like this. So it's her Luminous Foundation, and we're gonna see how that works. She's I don't know, she kind of goes, you know, she doesn't get a lot of credit. Her matte foundation is one of the best matte foundations out there. It's beautiful. It, you know, gives you a good full coverage, and, you know, but she kind of is unrecognized for that, for her foundations. She's more known for her, of course, her eyebrow stuff. But her foundations are great. Okay. So, let's see. Actually, let me dry this. Let me dry up this sunscreen / primer. Normally, I would wait 10 minutes, but I'm not going to do that to you guys. We do not have that luxury that we can do that. Just sit here for 10 minutes. Can you imagine if someone was just sitting here for 10 minutes being like, oh, okay, like, let's let the sunscreen dry. All right. Yeah. Get that all nice and dried up. And I think we're good to go with that. All right. So this is 150 warm that I'm using today. And that's the color. So we're just gonna, I mean, it doesn't say warm, it says 150W, but that's what the W is for warm. I mean, you know, people don't know that. So I'm lucky because I'm neutral, so I can wear cool or warm or cool, and obviously neutral. Get away with all three. And how you tell, oh, this does not look warm to me at all. This looks very neutral, actually. So, and it's very runny. Let's shake it up. Okay. I'm going to take some of this off. I didn't expect it to be this runny. Okay, there we go. Just put that in the trash. And we're going to start on the forehead. And this is luminous, so the amount of coverage it's going to give us is, we'll find out. Just be careful, because this is very liquid. I usually prefer more creamy foundations, you know, but I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm not going to use this foundation because it's, you know, it's runny. I mean, seriously. It's a little bit silly. Get some under the eyes here. All right, there we go. And this looks really light when it goes on at first, but as you blend it into your skin, it blends in. You know, it doesn't, I don't think it leaves a, you know, like a white mask. Plus, you know, when you put your contour and your blush on there, it helps, you know, hide it, but if it's too light for your skin. But this one, it, you know, and because it's liquid, you can just see that it totally blended out and blended in. So not all foundations, when you see, you know, the original color, it's like, that's not how it's going to turn out on your skin, you know. It's just gonna, you know, you're just gonna have to try it and see, you know. Just try to get as close to your skin tone as you can, you know, when you're buying these foundations here. Okay, so the coverage here, this is meant to be luminous. This, in my opinion, is light coverage. So I'm actually going to go in with some concealer from House Labs. Take the medium neutral. Take this out. This is a medium neutral, right? Yes, it is. Okay. All right. And we can use, you know, the concealer to hide whatever we want to hide. I am not a fan of my freckles. I never have been. I don't know. I'm just, you know, it's like you always want what you don't have. And then we get that chicken pox scar on our nose. Let's get around here. This. Okay. So now we're going to blend that in, and this just boosts, for me, this just boosts the coverage. You know, it's not going to make it, you know, I mean, it's not going to mess up the foundation. It's just going to, we need a little boost of coverage here. Oh, I have an eyelash in my eye. No wonder it's bothering me. Excuse me, I'm going to get it out. Come on. And it looks like we got it. So there we go. And that House Labs concealer, you know, really did help. I mean, it's not going to completely get rid of it, but it sure helped. Okay. And this coverage is, I mean, this foundation is very nice and luminous. You know, it gives your skin a healthy glow. Unfortunately, we have to set it with powder, but I'm going to try to use as little as possible. And we're going with the Infallible. I want to, you know, I just want to keep that. Actually, we're going to go with Physicians Formula. I want to keep that luminosity as much as possible. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. powder brush, dip it into the, you know, and I just tapped it once into the powder, and now I'm going to go around and, you know, just set it a little bit. Just dip it once, because we don't want to obscure the luminosity of this. Of this beautiful foundation. Okay. And this Physicians Formula is the Butter Glow.